Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm going to be reviewing a video called The Faces of Green Jobs. It is a 25-minute documentary about the people of California and their focus on the Green Revolution. It was produced by Environmental Defense Fund in association with So Real Films. The beginning of this video discusses how our planet's getting warmer and warmer and the need for a solution becoming more dire day by day. It shows really great imagery for the audience by showing clips of our ice caps melting, clips of people harvesting dirty energy such as coal and oil, and speaks about how suburban growth, which are all related to the damaging effects of climate change. I think it's great how they shifted from a more serious, almost scary tone to a more positive tone after the introduction as they start to discuss the more sustainable energy sources such as solar and wind energy. It's great to know California and other states are making the changes the world needs by using these methods and also creating more jobs while doing it. I thought their acronym GREEN was a great way to describe jobs in the green related field. G for generating and storing renewable energy, R for recycling existing materials, E for energy efficient product manufacturing and installation, E for education, compliance, and awareness, which is something I personally want to pursue, and N for natural and sustainable product manufacturing. I feel the description is a bit long, which makes it a little hard to remember, but it describes the jobs thoroughly and covers all bases of the green jobs that are available. After they present the GREEN acronym, they go on one by one, starting with the letter G, and give examples of what types of jobs and what companies are involved with the topic. They did a really great job explaining how solar energy works and how we can use it, such as providing us with electricity. They interview a gentleman named Alex Smith, and he talks about how rewarding being involved in the field of green jobs and how living in Europe changed his outlook with using this energy source. I can relate to this experience because I witnessed the same things while living in Europe and would absolutely love if our country followed suit because what they're doing over there is incredible. The next company they spoke about was a recycling company that recycled old glass bottles and turned them into granite countertops. I find that is a really creative way to reuse recycled material and is really fascinating to see the process. My favorite topic they presented was the Forestry Service, where they reach out to people about the great outdoors. They have mentors that talk about the environment and how to protect and reserve the resources for future generations. I think this portion of the video inspired me, and I may narrow down my project topic to jobs pertaining to the Forest Service. All around, the video was very informative, inspiring, and gives me hope for our future. And if we all band together, we can make it possible to make the changes that are necessary to help our environment. And green jobs really are our future.